What's up, ENG Reality? It's Samaria, Alexandra's sister, and I'm starting off her video. And today, we are going to get some fireworks because today is the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, guys. What's up, YouTube?
No, God, please, no, no!
Today is the 4th of July. We finna go get some fireworks. So, y'all want to see the fit?
Oh yeah, your window open, bro.
Look at the fit. Spiffy! You heard me?
I'm finna sweat this.
Alright, y'all, we at the... Bro, stop staring at me. Come on, Swan.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, and what you do, that's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you, I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Let me put y'all on. This right here, this Snapple, kiwi, strawberry Snapple, bro, the best. I will never steer you wrong, nigga. I will never steer you wrong. But we are out here waiting for the fireworks. You hot? Bro. Get sturdy. What?
Watch out, move!
What?
I got to set it up!
Bro, what the f? Bro.
Don't get too close to me. You tripping?
Oh, flashing lights. Boy, if you don't...
No, you need to get to the end, man. He's the tip, man. Oh, shit.
Move out the way!
Oh, fuck. Cause that has to hurt.
Last one. Oh, you finna put on? Oh, she finna put on YouTube. That what she doing?
All I gotta say is this: welcome to 4th of July, nigga.
I know you had a cat over there.
Ouch.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh, shit. Oh, hell no. Fuck.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Daddy, what the heck? Daddy.